Hi everyone, I am available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 1 Simulation Training Hands-on Exercise 3. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. If you need complete solution of this training, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. And we will deal this complete mylabit Pearson course. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all cumulative assessment, capstone assessment, midterm exam and final exam with A+ grade. I can do all mylabit courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access with A+ grade. And please reach me out for your other courses help like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, Macroeconomics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, and many more online courses. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. You will be free from this course. I will handle each and everything myself. So we will go to mylabit Pearson, go to Excel Chapter 1, Simulation Training Hands-on Exercise 3. We will open our training. So we will click on launch button. Question number 1, insert a column to the right of column H. We will select column I and right click on column I and click on insert button. So type profit amount in cell I4. Click on cell I4. In the formula bar, we will type profit amount in cell I4. So in cell I5, create a formula to subtract the value in cell C5 from cell H5. We will click on cell I5 and create a formula to subtract the value in cell C5 from cell H5. And press is equal to sale price minus cost. Press enter. Copy the formula in cell I5 to the range I6 to I10. So question is completed. Next question is question number 2. Insert a row, new row as row 5. Select row 5. Right click on row 5. Click on insert button. New row will be inserted as row 5. Type apparel in cell A5. Bold the text in cell A5. We will click on cell A5 and we will type apparel. APPAREL. So bold the text in cell A5. Select cell A5. Go to the home tab in the font group. Click on bold button. Insert a new row as row 8. Select row 8. Right click on row 8. Click on insert button. New row will be inserted as row 8. So we will type souvenir in cell A8. Bold the text in cell A8. We will click on cell A8 and we will type souvenir. SOUVENIRS. So select cell A8 and go to the home tab in the font group. Apply bold button. Click on bold button. This text will be bold in cell A8. Click cell A11 and delete the row. Select row 11. Right click on this. Click on delete button. Click on entire row. Select entire row. Circle box. Click on OK button. Question number 2 is completed. So the question number 3. Adjust the width of column A to 23. We will select column A and right click on column A, click on column width button. So we will adjust the width, enter 23, click on OK button. Column width of column A will be 23rd point. Adjust the height of row 1 to 30. Select row 1, right click on row 1, click on row height button. We will enter the data 30 and click on OK button. Row height will be changed to 30 points. Select and hide column B. Right click on column B. First we will select column B. Right click on column B. Click on hide button. Select and hide column D. Select column D. Select column D and right click on column D. Click on hide. On hide column D, select column C to E and click on unhide button. So question number 3 is done now. I just done 3 question out of 6 question. Okay, I have submitted this training. I have done this training for my student and I have got 100% grade, 6 point out of 6. I just show you 3 question out of 6 question. I did not show you complete training. If you want complete solution of this training, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete training for you with A plus grade and I will do this complete mylabit course for you with A plus grade. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all cumulative assessment, capstone assessment with A plus grade and final exam with A plus grade. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. So you can see on my laptop screen, I have got Excel chapter 1 simulation training hands-on exercise 300 points. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.